Are you questioning the credibility of research findings? You're not alone. In today's world, understanding research is crucial. This video will explore validity, reliability, and trustworthiness in both quantitative and qualitative research. We spend years gathering data, but how do we know it's accurate? Validity tells us if our measurements accurately reflect what we're studying. Reliability measures the consistency of these measurements over time. Trustworthiness goes a step further, establishing integrity in qualitative research. Let's break each concept down. First, validity. Imagine you've created a test. If the test accurately assesses math skills, it's valid. However, if it also tests reading skills, it's not valid for math. So, clarity in focusing your measurement is key. Next, let's look at reliability. Consider a bathroom scale that shows 150 pounds every time you step on it. That's reliable. If it fluctuates between 140 and 160 pounds, it's unreliable. Consistency is essential for trustworthy data. Now, on to trustworthiness. Trustworthiness involves credibility, transferability, dependability, and confirmability in qualitative research. Think about how you'd trust a friend. They need to be honest and reliable. The same goes for your research. Next, we introduce triangulation. This technique combines different methods or data sources. For example, if you're studying student satisfaction, you might use surveys, interviews, and focus groups. This creates a fuller picture and increases credibility. Reflexivity is equally important. It's about researchers reflecting on their influence throughout the study. For instance, if you're studying a community you belong to, your experiences can affect findings. Acknowledging this enhances integrity. Let's talk about bias. Every researcher has biases. It's human. But identifying these biases is crucial. A researcher might favor specific outcomes unintentionally. This can skew results. Strategies to reduce bias include peer reviews and diverse data sources. Finally, let's look at limitations. Every study has constraints. Knowing these helps clarify findings. For example, limited sample sizes can affect results. Being transparent about these limitations enhances trustworthiness. To summarize, we explored validity, reliability, and trustworthiness in research. Understanding these concepts ensures your work is credible. Use triangulation and reflexivity to strengthen your studies. Always identify biases and limitations in your research design. Ready to dive deeper into the world of research? Subscribe for more insights and start applying these principles today.